Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts. If you're frustrated with delayed notifications on Instagram in 2025, you're not alone. Whether it's missing likes, comments, or DMs, it can really throw off your social game. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through simple, effective fixes that will get your notifications firing on all cylinders. This is a quick tutorial designed to save you time and hassle, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Head over to your App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS, and check for any updates. Developers are constantly rolling out patches to fix bugs like this, so installing the latest version could solve the problem instantly. If that's not it, let's move on. Next, dive into your Instagram settings. Open the app, tap on your profile picture, go to Settings, and then Notifications. Ensure that all the toggles for posts, stories, messages, and live videos are turned on. Sometimes, these get switched off accidentally, causing delays. Now, let's check your phone's settings. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Battery, and make sure it's not restricted. For iPhone users, head to Settings, Instagram, Background App Refresh and enable it. Battery saving modes often interfere with notifications, so disabling optimizations for Instagram can make a big difference. Don't forget about your internet connection. Weak Wi-Fi or mobile data can lead to delays. Test your connection by switching between Wi-Fi and data, or simply restart your router if needed. A stable connection is key for real-time updates. If that doesn't work, try restarting your device. It's a classic troubleshooting step that often clears temporary glitches. Just power off your phone, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Lastly, if notifications are still lagging, clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, Clear Cache. iOS users might need to offload the app or reset settings via General Phone Options. This refreshes the app and removes any corrupted data. There you have it. Straightforward steps to fix delayed notifications on Instagram in 2025. Give these a try, and you'll be back to staying connected in no time. If the issue persists, reach out to Instagram support. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. See you next time.